Looking for a keyboard that blends style with performance? The Magic Keyboard offers a sleek design paired with a built-in rechargeable battery, making it a smart choice for anyone who types regularly. Its low-profile build and optimized key travel deliver a smooth, comfortable experience that keeps you focused and productive. What sets the Magic Keyboard apart is its stable scissor mechanism beneath each key. This design enhances precision and responsiveness, so every keystroke feels natural and accurate. Whether you're writing emails, coding, or working on creative projects, the keyboard adapts effortlessly to your rhythm. Pairing is a breeze. The Magic Keyboard connects automatically with your Mac, so you can start typing immediately. No fuss, no delays. Plus, it's compatible with Bluetooth-enabled Macs running OS X 10. 11 or later, as well as iPads with iPadOS and iOS devices with iOS 9. 1 or newer. This flexibility means it fits seamlessly into your existing setup. Battery life is another highlight. The Magic Keyboard runs for about a month or more on a single charge, which means fewer interruptions and more time to focus on what matters. Users rave about how reliable the connection is and how long the battery lasts, making it a dependable tool for everyday use. If you value a keyboard that combines comfort, durability, and ease of use, the Magic Keyboard is worth a look. It's designed to keep up with your pace and enhance your workflow without adding bulk or complexity. Ready to upgrade your typing experience? The Magic Keyboard offers a perfect balance of form and function, helping you stay productive with less hassle. Try it when you're ready and see how it changes the way you work.